Hey friends, can you really resist the allure of a perfectly roasted chicken? I bet you can't. And what about those fresh eggs you enjoy every morning? Imagine going a day without them. How would that feel? Today, let me take you behind the scenes to show you how chickens and eggs are produced in modern factories. It might sound a little strange since these are agricultural products, but thanks to advanced science and technology, we can now produce chickens and eggs on a large scale in a short amount of time. We still haven't solved the age-old question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? I don't know the answer either, but today we're starting with the chickens. Cute baby chicks are born through the hatching process. Special machines lay down a soft, fluffy bedding for the eggs, giving them a cozy place to rest. This helps the chicks feel right at home from the moment they hatch. The eggs are carefully placed on this bedding by another machine, while the temperature is kept just right in the open hatching center. And when the newborn chicks finally emerge, oh my gosh, they are just too cute to handle. Once all the chicks have hatched, they're moved to special units where they'll grow into healthy, strong chickens. These hungry little chicks won't have to wait long to be fed. The farm ensures they're given high-quality organic feed right from the start. Their diet includes a mix of US-grown corn and expeller-pressed soybeans, processed without harmful chemicals like hexane, which is commonly used in regular feed. The farm also uses an automated feeding system, so no chick is left hungry or neglected. Modern poultry farms have also adopted nipple watering systems, where water is delivered drop by drop. It's clean, efficient, and perfectly portioned. It's fun to watch the chicks peck at the nipples for water, but what's even more impressive is how this system reduces water waste and keeps everything sanitary. Every day, these chicks grow stronger and healthier thanks to the farm's advanced environmental controls. These systems regulate everything from temperature to lighting, creating the ideal environment for the chicks to thrive. Housing many chicks in one space makes it easier to monitor them closely while still giving each chick the attention it needs. Farmers keep a close eye on everything. No detail is too small when it comes to keeping these chickens healthy and happy. When the chickens are fully grown, it's time to move to the next stage. Forget running around the farm to catch them. A modern machine, which looks like a spaceship, arrives to gently gather the chickens, placing them into specially designed baskets for safe transport. The process continues in separate hatching centers. As soon as the chicks are born, they move along conveyor belts, checking in for attendance before heading to their new homes, where they will grow. You might think chickens are quiet creatures, but some can be pretty mischievous. Have you ever had a chicken poke you with its beak as you walk by? If you've got any funny stories, we'd love to hear them. When the chickens are ready for processing, the farm uses a humane, silent method to ensure the chickens are unconscious and pain-free. Stunning them with an electrical water bath is one of the approved methods to minimize suffering and speed up the process. Next comes the washing stage, where their outer skin is removed by automatic machines. It's fascinating to see this efficient system at work, especially as the machines neatly cut off the chicken feet and collect them in a separate chamber. The entire process is closely monitored by workers, who step in only when needed. This is automation at its finest. Technology ensures that every step from slicing the meat to quality checks is done with precision. Chickens that don't meet high standards are discarded, ensuring only the best meat makes it to your table. Once the chickens pass inspection, some head to the marination stations to soak up spices before reaching your dinner plate. Watching the machines slice chicken wings and front halves is mesmerizing, and the speed at which they remove the tails is impressive. But the most satisfying part? Seeing those perfectly cut boneless chicken thighs ready to cook. Chicken isn't just delicious, it's also packed with health benefits. It's a great source of choline, which supports brain health and improves memory and cognitive function. So while you're enjoying your meal, remember that chicken is keeping both your body and mind in top shape. And hey, don't forget about us. We work hard to bring you fun and informative content, so a little support goes a long way. Now, tell us about all the tasty chicken dishes you've made. We'd love to hear everyone's favorite recipes. How did you enjoy this behind-the-scenes journey through the chicken processing plant? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future adventures. See you next time.